Part 3. This is a pretty easy part. So you're playing stuff you've already played. Playing 2 Gs with your left hand forefinger, followed by 2 As with your 3 finger, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, F, E, D, C with your right hand. That's what that sounds like. Then we're moving on, and you're going to hit an A with your 3 finger on your left hand, and a C with your 1 on your right hand, and the D, and then an E, and then a D again. So C, D, E, D with an A in the left hand, and then a B by itself. Then you're moving your right hand where the 2 comes to hit a G twice, and then you're hitting a C with the 5 finger, and then a 4 to B flat, 3 to A flat, 2 to G, 1 to F, and this is where you're going to cross over. So you're taking your 3 finger and you're crossing over the top of your thumb, keeping the top of your hand flat to grab an E flat, and then D with your 2, C with your 1. So that last little bit. So if we put all this together,